Welcome folks to the tutorial video on how to change the oil in your vehicle. As you've seen in the intro slide, our objective is to properly change the oil. Some of the things you will need, for this oil change are shown right here. As you can see, you're going to need a new oil filter. You're going to need motor oil, which we will talk about more later on. You need a ratchet set. You're going to need a used oil container. You're going to need a funnel, and some rags are probably a good choice. Here we are over at the vehicle, and the first step to changing your oil is going to locate and open the oil container cap, and this way it will help the oil drain properly once you pull the plug. So step 2 of your oil change is you're going to need to locate the oil pan, which is right here, is where the oil's housed, and the drain plug specifically, which is right here. You're going to, second step is going to be draining this oil pan. So you're going to want to position your used oil container underneath the oil pan, and with your ratchet you want to loosen your drain plug. And it should spin right off. Some of them take a little more than others. Going to start draining. So as your oil is slowing down and is fully drained from your pan, you're going to want to locate the oil filter, which is usually somewhere underneath your vehicle. In this case, it is up right here. It is a black cylinder and it twists off. Usually to twist it off, you're going to need to use something like an oil wrench, which is designed to reach up in the closed compartment and loosen this piece. So we are going to do that. Remember, lefty loosey, righty tighty. The oil filter just screws off once you loosen it, and this thing will grab oil. Once you have removed your old oil filter, you are now going to install your new oil filter. And the important thing to remember when you're doing this is this red gasket right here is going to need lubed with a little bit of oil to ensure a proper seal and to make sure your vehicle does not leak oil. So I have applied a little bit of oil onto my new oil filter, and now I'm just going to screw it back in to the location that it was placed, and it threads just like a screw does. You just have to get it started. Kind of hard to see because it's up there in no man's land, but once you get it started, it'll go right in. Once your oil has finished draining from the pan, you're going to replace the drain plug, and it just screws right back in. And you're going to want to tighten that with your ratchet so that you're not leaking oil after your oil change. Once you have put in your new oil filter and reinstalled your drain plug, it is time to replace your old engine oil with your new engine oil. The different vehicles and different engine sizes use different types of oil, so you'll need to contact your your auto parts store to help you figure out what type you need for your vehicle. But at this case, you take your container and you put it in the new oil. Once your oil has been fully emptied into your oil pan, You may close the cap and you are finished.